Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. You know, right now we're in the heart of the winter and I'm in my garden picking collard greens. I pick some from here already, some from there, some from there. This is my garden and I'm start preparing it, start getting it together. You know, because I want to plant okra, tomatoes, you know, all different kind of vegetables. You know, this is my plum tree right here. See, start to push out leaves already. That one right there is the apple tree. That one there is a plum tree. These are some blueberry. And they all start pushing back out leaf. And I have a peach tree up here. Yes, this is a peach tree here. It start pushing out leaves already. You see? Yes, guys. So I want you to keep following my videos because this year I have a lot to share. Lots of information. Please like, subscribe and share and hit the notification bell for all updates on my videos. Thank you for watching.